Welcome to Breed School Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T-Max, and in this video I will be showing you how to find the best After Effect template for your project. Okay, so right now I'm on videohive.net. You can just click the link below to come to videohive, and that should bring you to this page. Here you can see there are a couple of templates here: dynamic openings, logo templates. You could see here just a couple of templates here. You see this After Effect face tool here, and the good thing, once you land on this page, you could just find something related to what you're working on. Let's say you're looking for a logo intro for a web project. Let's say for instance you're looking for a logo intro. You could just click logo review or logo opener, okay, or logo intro, any of those keywords that relate to what you're working on. You can see a couple of logo openers and logo intros over here. See here we have a tech logo opener here. It's going for $32. We have a couple of them over here. You could just use a strategy to find bestsellers, so you actually go for what people have reviewed and have rated to be the best in the market. And one thing I do, once I select the best sellers, I also come down here and also filter by coming to ratings here and checking for 4-star to looking for ratings that are 4-star and higher. You can see here, you can just click that and this will filter the best After Effect template for me to actually purchase here on videohive. You can see here the one I'm seeing here, it's called the Typo King, and you could just go through the list here and find something really very appealing for you. You could just do your little research. Recently I actually worked with working with a restaurant, so I actually created a food menu for the restaurant, and I got one of the templates here. You can see this one here, and it's going for just $24, and you can see it has over 108 sales. You can see a couple already popping up here. You can see this is a digital menu board, and it's very easy for you to work with the client. A client could just pay you for a project to come here. You could charge the client for like maybe $300 or so. You come here, you buy a template for like $39 or even $100 and give them a very good job, and you make your profit and you move on. Okay, that is not a complex thing to do. So I think I like this universal product commercial here. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Whenever you click a template, you can actually preview what the template actually looks like. So right here you can download a preview of this template. So if you click here, it actually can get downloaded on your PC, so you can actually review that. So I could just click download. I have the IDM Internet Download Manager already installed on my browser and also on my PC, so you can see it's downloading easy. So I can actually also preview without downloading by clicking here. So if I click, that's how you can go about reviewing this templates here. There are a couple of templates. There are hundreds and thousands of templates here on videohive, and that's how you get the best templates here for your content creation or your video projects. And it's that very easy. And I'm going to create a video on how it's also a similar process. You go about finding Premiere Pro templates or Apple Motion and thereabout. You can see you can also get stock footages here on videohive, and it's quite limitless what you can do here on videohive. Hope you have a great time and see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.